Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and in this video we're gonna replace this toggle switch, this simple toggle switch, to this Wi-Fi touch switch. We will go through step by step how to install and how to set up. Also, we will review this switch when you buy, what you get inside the box, and price, and some functionality, what you can do with this switch. I'm gonna bring my camera closer and we're going to install, but before we install we will talk about some functionality and price and what we get inside the box. So let's start it. Wi-Fi smart switch you can buy from eBay or from Amazon, about like $25 to $30. When you open the box, inside the box you will get light switch. Just touch on and off. Have a glass panel on it, and behind the switch you have 4 terminals, 4 screws. So the first one, say N, is for neutral. This one have a ground sign, is like chassis ground. Out, go to the light bulb or fan, whatever you want to control. And L, this one line wire goes over here. You also get the instruction manual. Follow the instruction manual. You can scan this code and you can QR code, and you can install app, or you can search for Smart Life app to control from your smartphone or through the Alexa to set up. Also, you get 2 wire, green and white wire. You get 2 screws to tight this switch to electrical gang box, and also you will get the faceplate. This faceplate, after you install, it simply goes on top. So according to the functionality, this Wi-Fi switch you can install, and first over the other toggle switch you can just touch on, touch off. From your cell phone you can also control this switch locally or remotely from anywhere. Also, you can set up like a time. You can set up some function like timer, what time you want to be turned on, turn off. So I have installed this switch already. I'm pretty happy, and this Wi-Fi light and this round sign is always light. Even there's dark, you still can see this switch to touch. So it's like you can touch over here, really good. To install this switch, you need a flat screw head screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, wire cutter, and couple wire nut. Maybe you don't want to use it, but just to be heavy. I didn't open this panel and I'm not sure how it look like inside. So once we open, then we will see what I needed. Before you start, we're gonna turn off power and we will open this panel. So I opened the switch, but before I disconnect, I need to make sure which wire is the line and which one is switch leg. For this one, I have to turn power back on and put my meter and find out which one is line and which one is switch leg. This one is line, so you can mark or you can put label or anything. So now that's the switch leg. I'm gonna install first. I'm gonna strip only the wire I needed. I'm gonna cut the other one. The rest of the wire will be removed. I don't want to see any exposed wire out of this screw or whatever terminal you call. It also called good practice of whatever the job you're doing. You gotta do really nice and clean job. I'm making those connections really tight. I don't wanna, when I turn on and off, I really drop high amp and make it spark, and this will affect the switch life. So now we're gonna connect this white wire to the white terminal. Yeah, and we're gonna just strip whatever we need it. I'm gonna put where it says L. Okay, once you install the switch, you can go ahead and turn power on. So now we're gonna push this switch in and find out which way is right. Okay. Now the switch is ready to put. We can just touch on, off, on and off. So next step, we're gonna go. We're gonna set up through our Wi-Fi, so you can control from your cell phone with Alexa. And this step, I will just go how you can control with your cell phone. Now we will set up this Wi-Fi switch on our cell phone. For this one, we will go to our app store and we will search for app. It's called Smart Life. You find the Smart Life, you click on it, and we will install this one. After install, you simply click on open, and it says a notification. That's up to you. You want to allow or don't allow. Now we have to register. We have to make our account. So first they're going to ask for email, and you can click next. Then you're going to add any password and click next. And then over here you can you want to give your location or whatever. You can follow the instructions. Now we're going to say add device. When you add device, we're going to select a light switch and we're going to confirm. And as soon as you click, you're going to ask for your Wi-Fi password. Whatever the Wi-Fi router password, you're going to put password, and it will take a couple seconds after you enter your password and say confirm. So now this app try to connect with your smart light switch. At this point, you have to make sure your light switch Wi-Fi, there's a little light and have a Wi-Fi signal light. It need to be flickering. If not, you can press and hold the switch for like 10 seconds and that will go to setup mode. So once it's got 100%, you can see it says successfully added one device, and you simply press on done. And this one is just asking for upgrade and not gonna be in all cases. Now you can see just on off button and you can press on and off. Now we will be able to control from our cell phone. So we can move on switch and try. Now we're ready to control these lights from our cell phone and plus from this switch. First we're going to try this switch. Turn off, turn back on. Also we can see status over here. I'm going to try from here. Turn off, turn back on. That's all. Thank you for watching.